How to transfer from BDO to Gcash. Now there are things that you need first. So the first thing that you need is of course a BDO online banking account. Make sure that your BDO online banking is fully verified and fully set up. The other thing that you need is a fully verified Gcash account. And you also have to make sure that your Gcash account has already been set up completely. So this is very easy. So the first thing that you need to do from BDO itself is just enroll your BDO account for online banking and verify your Gcash account for a smooth transfer process. Now you'll have to use your BDO's online banking or mobile app to initiate the transfer to Gcash. So make sure to ensure the accurate senders and receivers information when filing or filling out the instruction or the transaction details. So again, double check especially your Gcash account number and as well as the Gcash number's name so that you won't be having any problems. The last thing to do is just verify the success of the transfer by checking your Gcash account balance and receiving text and email confirmations and checking for the BDO transfer fee. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can transfer from BDO to Gcash.